Welcome to the Wonderland Pincushion Stack tutorial. My name is Lisa Marie Olsen and I'm a visual storyteller who creates fun and imaginative projects using soft textiles such as felt and fabric. On this short course, you will learn a plethora of useful skills. These will include attaching decorative piping, applique, attaching cushions, attaching buttons, useful hints, tips and recommendations. But most importantly, through repetition, this course will build confidence in each skill set.